How to enable or disable trust agent theft protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, scroll down and click on trust agents. So after click on trust agents, you will see theft protection is here. So if you want to enable theft protection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see theft protection is enabled. So if you want to disable theft protection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see theft protection is turn off and disable. So you will enable or disable theft protection from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable trust agent theft protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.